guys, in today's video we are going to make DIY monsoon special hair mask. This hair mask is especially for those people like me. As you can see guys, my hair is become so rough, so frizzy and so dry in this rainy season. So I was just like, why not? We should make a hair mask which will give a life to our hair, make our hair silky, bouncy and glossy. So I came up with this hair mask. Trust me, this will gonna help you a lot. This is like a savior in this monsoon season. So guys, let me show you how to make this hair mask and let's get started. First ingredient is banana. Here I'm taking half of it because you guys know I have a short hair. If you have a long hair, just go for whole banana. Here I'm taking half of it and going to mash it. So beauties, after mashing half banana, our next ingredient is gram flour, which we call besan in Hindi. So here I am taking 3 tablespoons of gram flour. After adding gram flour, our next ingredient is curd. Here I am taking like 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd. Our next ingredient is literally very important. This is mustard oil. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, which we call sarson ka tel in Hindi. Now this oil plays a very important role because it helps a lot in this monsoon season to control our hair loss, hair fall and makes our hair very healthy and good and shiny too. So here we have to take 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now we are going to mix them all to apply. So let's get started. Let's start applying it. Friends, let's start applying this, monsoon special DIY hair mask. And beauties, it is not necessary actually. Ouch! It is not necessary to wash your hair before applying this. No, not at all. You can apply it on your dirty hair also. As you can see, my hair is not clean at all, so this is not an issue. Just start applying this hair mask because this will gonna clean your hair also. So let's get started. Let's start applying it. So beauties, after applying this monsoon hair mask, now I'm going to tie my hair. Now beauties, I'm going to wrap my hair with this poly bag like this. And after wrapping my hair, I'm going to leave it like this for 2 hours and then I'm going to wash my hair with normal water, no shampoo and no conditioner. But if you're going for a party or if you have to go outside, you can wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Or if you're at your home only, then no need to wash your hair with shampoo. Just wash it thoroughly with normal water. So guys, I will be back after washing my hair with normal water. I just washed my hair with normal water. I haven't done any shampoo or conditioner. Still, it made my hair a little bit oily actually because I haven't done shampoo yet. But still, they are so soft and so manageable. Trust me, I think this is the best DIY mask I have ever used. Trust me, it made my hair so manageable because in this monsoon season, my hair has become so frizzy, so rough. But this DIY mask is too good. So beauty, just go and try this and I'm sure you will be like, this is too good. Please just try this at home and comment it in the comment section. Do you liked it or not and everything about it. So beauties, please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.